Good morning student. Today we will teach you English grammar topic number 14, the use of V3. So let's start to read the chapter. We use V3 with has or have for an action that began in the past and is now finished. हम वर्ब का V3 फॉर्म के साथ हैज़ और हैव यूज करते हैं और जो एक्शन जो भूतकाल में पास्ट में शुरू हुई एंड अभी अभी ही खत्म हुई. वी डोंट लुक एट द टाइम ऑफ द एक्शन, वी लुक एट द रिजल्ट. हमें जो हम काम करते हैं उसका रिजल्ट देखने को मिलता है, तब हम वर्ब का V3 फॉर्म रखते हैं. जैसे कि द सन हैज रिजन, मतलब सूर्योदय हो गया. वी हैव सीन दिस फिल्म, हमने ये फिल्म देखी. मतलब हमने कब देखी थी? 3 घंटे पहले देखी थी और अभी अभी हम वो खत्म हुई, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? वी हैव सीन दिस फिल्म. मदर हैज कुक्ड फूड, मम्मी ने खाना बनाया. मतलब कि खाना तो मम्मी आधे घंटे या घंटे पहले शुरू करती है ना खाना बनाना, तो उन्होंने खाना बनाया, अभी अभी उन्होंने खाना बना लिया. सो हम क्या बोलेंगे? मदर हैज कुक्ड फूड. दे हैव रीच्ड होम, वो घर पे आ गए. For negatives, we use not between has, have and V3. जब हम ये V3 सेंटेंस का नेगेटिव बनाएंगे तब हम नॉट कहाँ रखेंगे? हैज, हैव. यहाँ पे हैज, हैव और V3 के बीच में हमें नॉट रखना है. द सन हैज नॉट रीजन. वी हैव नॉट सीन दिस फिल्म, हमने ये फिल्म देखी नहीं है. मदर हैज नॉट कुक्ड फूड, मम्मी ने अभी तक खाना बनाया नहीं है. दे हैव नॉट रीच्ड एट होम, वे अभी तक घर पे आए नहीं है. For questions, we use has or have before the subject. देखिए, see children, this is the structure of question. Has, have. First of all, we have to put has or have plus, then we put subject, then we put verb का V3 form. First, has the sun risen? क्या सूर्योदय हो गया? C. We put has before the subject and V3 form after the subject. Second, have we seen this film? क्या हमने ये फिल्म देखी थी? Has mother cooked food? See children, once again we put has before the subject and we put verb का V3 form after the subject. And also it is important to put a question mark. Now for negative questions we can use not after has, have or before V3. जब हमें नेगेटिव सेंटेंस का क्वेश्चन करना होता है तो हमें हैज, हैव के बाद में नॉट लिखना है और उसके पहले V3. सी, हैज द सन नॉट रीजन? द आंसर इज हैज नॉट द सन रीजन. See children, we put first has, then we put not, then we put the subject and then V3 का V3 verb form. Hasn't the sun risen? See children, hasn't is the short form of has not. Hasn't the sun risen? सेकेंड, हैव वी नॉट सीन दिस फिल्म, क्या हमने ये फिल्म नहीं देखी थी? तो हैव नॉट वी सीन दिस फिल्म. देन it is haven't is the short form of have not. Haven't we seen this film? Okay students, it is time to exercise. Fill in the blanks with the V3 form of the given verbs with has or have. Okay students, when we put have or has, then I, we, you or they, with they we put have, or with he, she, it we put has. The sun has risen, rise का V3 form risen. Second, I blank a mistake. अब I के साथ क्या आएगा? I have made a mistake. Make का V3 form make, made, made. So I have made a mistake. Third, we blank our duty. So we put have with we, and done is the V3 form of do. We have done our duty. Fourth, you blank this book. See children, read, the V3 form of read is read. Yes, V1 form is read, V2 also read, or V3 also read. Read, read, read. So we have read this book. She blank her purse. So we put has with she, and find का V3 form क्या होगा? Find, found, found. She has found her purse. 6. He blank his old car. So he has sell का V3 form sell, sold, sold. He has sold his old car. 7. They blank the truth. So we put have with they, and speak का V3 form speak, spoke, spoken. So spoken is V3 form. They have spoken the truth. 8. The lion catch the mouse. So the lion has catch का V3 form catch, caught, caught. The lion has caught the mouse. Your brother blank do to Delhi. Your brother has gone to Delhi. 10. The teacher blank this lesson. So which is the right answer? The teacher has taught this lesson. Now rewrite each sentence, first as a question and second as a negative. First, has the sun risen? It is a question sentence. Second, the sun has not risen, so it is negative. Second, have I made a mistake? This is question. And I have not made a mistake. It is negative. Okay. 3. Rewrite each sentence using short form of negatives. Which is the negative form of has not? So it is hasn't. And which is the negative form of have not? So it is haven't. Has not is equal to hasn't, and have not is equal to haven't. First, it has not rained today. So which is the short form of has not? Hasn't. So we put hasn't here. It hasn't rained today. Second, I have not taken your book. So I haven't. Okay, I haven't taken your book. Third, we have not spoken to him. So we haven't spoken to him. Fourth, the peon has not rung the bell. So the peon hasn't rung the bell. So 5, 6, 7 do yourself. Okay. Exercise number 4. Rewrite each question twice as shown. First, have I not helped you? So एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है, have not I helped you, और सेकंड दूसरे तरीके से haven't I helped you. So second, has he not come back? So has not he come back? Hasn't he come back? Now third, has he not broken his leg? So answer is has not he broken his leg? And second one is hasn't he broken his leg? Fourth, has she not seen this film? So has not she seen this film? And second one is hasn't she seen this film? 5. Have we not told the truth? So have not we told the truth? And second one is haven't we told the truth? Now 6. Have you not liked this book? So have not you liked this book? And second one, haven't you liked this book? 7. Has he not brushed his teeth? So answer is has not he brushed his teeth? And second one, hasn't he brushed his teeth? Exercise number 5. Write the things you do, have done or haven't done today. ये एक्सरसाइज में आपने आज क्या किया और क्या नहीं किया वो लिखना है. जैसे कि आई हैव ब्रश्ड माई टीथ, आई हैवंट पॉलिश माई शूज, देन आई हैव टेकन माई लंच, आई हैवंट टेकन माई डिनर. ऐसे now exercise number 6. Look at the pictures and say what has happened. You can use words from the book. ये पिक को देख के हमें ये वर्ड्स की हेल्प से यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है ये हमें लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज गिवन, सी बिफोर एंड नाउ. तो ही हैज पॉलिश्ड हिज शूज. विच एक्शन इज डन? उसने उसका शूज पॉलिश कर दिया. पहले गंदा था फिर उसने पॉलिश कर दिया. सो वी पुट ही हैज पॉलिश्ड हिज शूज. देन सेकेंड कि अभी ओके ये नहा रहा है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? ही हैज टेकन अ बाथ. Third one, she has closed the door. Then fourth, the peon has rang the bell. Now fifth, आपको बॉक्स में देख के आंसर देना है। 5th, ओके, दे हैव गॉन टू बेड। 6th, it has started raining. Okay children, I hope you enjoy my class. Thank you.